In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic replies in Outlook on the web. This can be an incredibly useful feature, especially when you're away from your desk or on vacation. Setting this up ensures that anyone trying to reach you via email is automatically informed of your absence, or any alternate ways to get in touch. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of trouble, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Outlook on your web browser. You can do this by navigating to your favorite web browser and typing in the Outlook web address. Once you've done that, you'll need to sign in using your account credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the correct one where you want to set up these automatic replies. Now that you're in your Outlook account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Once the menu is displayed, you'll find a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type automatic replies into this search bar. This search feature facilitates finding specific settings without having to manually sift through all the options. After entering your search term, you'll notice that the automatic replies option will appear as a result. Click on this option to proceed to the automatic replies setup page. Here, you'll come across a switch or toggle to turn on automatic replies. Click on this toggle to enable the feature. Once automatic replies are turned on, you'll need to compose your out-of-office message. This message is crucial as it informs colleagues, clients, or anyone trying to contact you of your unavailability. Be clear and concise in your message. You might want to include information such as the duration of your absence, alternative contact persons, or any critical information relevant to your absence. For example, you can write a message saying, "Thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office and will return on date. If you need immediate assistance, please contact alternate contact person. Thank you for your understanding." Before finalizing your settings, be sure to double-check your message for any typos or missing information. Once you're satisfied with your message, you can proceed to set any additional options, such as specifying the start and end dates for your automatic replies. Some users find this feature particularly useful if they're scheduling time off in the future, as Outlook will automatically turn off replies once the end date has passed. And that's it! Your automatic replies are now set up. This simple process can make a huge difference in ensuring smooth communication flow when you're not available. Remember, you can always return to the settings menu if you need to make changes or turn off the automatic replies. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in streamlining your email management with Outlook.